Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix loan rates with SoFi step by step clearly. To begin the process of fixing loan rates with SoFi, visit the official SoFi website. Sign in to your account, or create a new account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the loan section of your dashboard. Determine the type of loan you are looking to fix, whether it's a personal loan, student loan, or mortgage. Click on the option that corresponds to your desired loan. Review the available loan products and their respective interest rates. Select the product that aligns with your financial goals. Fill out the required information in the loan application form. Be prepared to provide personal and financial details such as your income, employment history, and existing debts. After submitting the application, SoFi will review your information. You may be asked to provide additional documentation, such as pay stubs or tax returns. Once your application is processed, you'll receive a loan offer detailing the fixed interest rate. Review the terms and conditions carefully to ensure they meet your expectations. If you agree to the terms, accept the loan offer through your SoFi account. Finalize the loan by electronically signing the agreement. After completing these steps, SoFi will process your loan and disperse the funds as needed. Stay in touch with SoFi for any updates on your loan status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.